In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a filter drop-down in Tableau. Whether you're new to Tableau or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to effectively use filters can significantly enhance your data visualization and analysis process. So let's dive in and see how you can easily set up a filter drop-down to make your Tableau dashboards more interactive and user-friendly. First, you'll want to locate the field that you wish to filter. This could be any dimension or measure from your data that you want to create a filter for. Once you've identified the field, drag it onto the filter shelf. The filter shelf is your go-to spot for managing which data points you want to display or hide in your visualizations. Placing a field here allows you to specify conditions that will refine the data shown. After you've placed your chosen field onto the filter shelf, the next step is to right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with various options related to the field. Among these options, select Show Filter. Doing so will add a filter control to your visualization. You'll notice this control appearing on the right side of your view. This is essentially where the magic happens, as it enables users to interact with the data and make selections from a drop-down list. The filter drop-down that appears will list all the available options from the field you've chosen. If you are working with a dimension, it might show categories such as product names, regions, or dates. If it's a measure, you might see numerical ranges. The great thing about this feature is that it makes your dashboard interactive, allowing users to focus on specific data segments without having to alter the underlying dataset or dashboard structure. With the filter drop-down now in place, you have a few customization options to tailor it to your needs. For instance, you can choose between different filter types like single value lists, multiple value lists, or even slider filters if you're working with continuous data. These options can be accessed by clicking on the small drop-down arrow in the upper right corner of the filter pane. A useful tip is to format the filter to match the rest of your dashboard's aesthetic. This can improve user experience and ensure that your dashboard looks cohesive and professional. Tableau provides options to change the font, color, and layout of the filter drop-down, so don't hesitate to experiment with these settings to find what works best for your visualization. Remember, the key to utilizing filters effectively is to think about the end user experience. Consider what data segments your audience might need to explore and how you can make their interaction with your dashboard as seamless as possible. Filters are a powerful tool for honing in on specific data points, so using them wisely can greatly enhance the value of your Tableau dashboards. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to add interactivity to your Tableau visualizations with filter drop-downs. By following these steps, you'll be able to give your audience a dynamic way to engage with the data, leading to more insightful analysis and decision making. Thanks for watching and happy data visualizing.